BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Mole truck on a treasure hunt. The map shows that the treasure is underneath. I'll start digging here. What is this? Could it be the treasure? Look at what Mole Truck can do! Over here! A little bit more! Mole Truck! What happened to you? I was washed away by a flood while searching for treasure. It's okay. I'll repair you in no time. Dear friends, let's repair the mole truck together. First, we'll remove the broken drill. Then we'll install a new one. Which should we choose? Let's try this one. This drill looks so strange. It's so sweet. I got it wrong. This is a candy. Let's try another one. I can't see anything. Uh-oh, I'm so sorry. Let me change it for you. Wow, this drill is so cool. I like it. Next, let's repair the headlights. First, remove the old headlights. Then install the new ones. I like my new headlights. There seems to be water in the mole truck. Let's handle it quickly. Uh-oh, the battery has water damage. There's so much water inside. Let's blow dry it. All done. Let's install a new battery. Now I'm all energized. The repair is done. Dear friends, we've completed another challenge. Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. Now I can explore again. Good luck exploring. I hope I'm on the right path. Huh? What is that? It's a treasure chest. I found the treasure. The ambulance is sick.
Hey-haw! My baby! What's wrong?
Good evening. This is Ambulance Angie.
Angie! My poor baby fell down! Hee-haw!
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. Don't worry, I'm here. I've been busy all night. I'm tired. What's happening to me? working all night, I suddenly can't move.
Uh-oh! Dear friends, let's repair the ambulance together. Ambulance Angie, before we start, we'll give you a checkup first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a problem with your engine compartment. And now, let us open up the hood and take a look inside of it. There's so much dust inside, I can't see anything. Oh, there's not enough engine oil, so there's smoke coming out. Engine oil is refilled. Let's spray some cleaning liquid and the engine can work better.
That's awesome. I feel so terrific.
Ambulance Angie, I think you need to get a good rest.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. I feel much more energetic now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help, Super Mechanic Barry.
Angie, please, I need your help right now.
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. I must set out for the rescue. Goodbye, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye, and see you again, Angie. Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now! Oh no! Something bad happened! Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money! You stop! Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going! Oh no! Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again. Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake.
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one should I use?
This one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.
The excavator got a boo-boo.
I'm Excavator Kubo, the best construction vehicle in Barrytown. Woohoo!
Oh, wow! Kubo is so cool!
I want to be an excavator too!
Haha! It's time to show off my skills. Kubo, you look so terrible. No. I'm feeling good. Look at me. My scooper arm is still very strong.
Oh gosh, Kubo! Stop right now! I think you should go to Barry's repair station.
Oh, it's Excavator Kubo. Welcome to my station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I fell into a very big hole. Can you fix the damage to me?
Yes, of course. Let's go. Let's repair the excavator.
Oh, slow down! I think I'm breaking apart now.
Oh, there's a piece of broken glass. I think we should remove it first. Phew, that was a close shave. And now, we need to find a suitable piece of glass and have it installed. We have 3 pieces of glass with different shapes. Which one should we pick?
Without the glass, my heart feels so cold in the wind. Please hurry up.
Oh, I think this is the one. Aha! We did it!
Super Mechanic Barry, it seems like my scooper arm feels heavier.
Oh, don't worry. I'll fix your mechanical arm right now. Okay, let's do this. Screw in the arm tighter.
Haha! My arm feels strong again. Ouch! My body still hurts a bit. Ow!
Your body is hurt in 2 spots.
Oh, can I still be repaired?
Don't worry. I'm going to fix you. This crack isn't too big. A bit of welding will help. Uh-oh. It's much worse over here. And now, I'll weld and fix the crack.
like your suggestion. Please paint me, Barry.
Which color should we choose?
I want to try green. Oh my gosh! I look like I was poisoned!
Let's try yellow.
Wow! I look much cooler now!
You're all fixed. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you! I won't fall into a hole again!
Good luck to you.
I'd better get back to work now.
Goodbye, Kubo.
It's time to show off my awesome skills!
Wow, Kubo was so cool with words.
Abracadabra! Change!
Oh my! What's happening?
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my, I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue!
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm here. Huh? Why is there nobody here?
Super Police, I'm over here.
Oh my, how did you disappear? What happened?
Stop right there.
This is a magic wand I just stole from the witch. Let me show you its power. Abracadabra! Change!
Oh my! What's happening?
How could this be?
Oh, Super Police, can you help me?
Leave it to me. Let's help the police car together. Oh, there are many car parts here. Let's get started. Oops, made a mistake. Uh-oh, wrong place.
Please hurry. The thief is about to escape.
No problem. Oh, yay! It's done! You did great!
Haha, I'm finally back to normal. It's my turn now. No criminal can escape my eyes.
A police car! Run! Oh, no! Freeze! You are under arrest! Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super-duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze, super-duper policeman. I won't do it again, I promise. Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time! Help! There is a robber! Robber! Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Hello, I'm Super Police Barry. Super Police, help! What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police to the rescue! Don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, please help me. Meow.
What happened?
My new hat is so pretty. Meow.
Hey, your hat is mine now.
Help! There is a robber!
Oh, don't try. I'll help you get your hat back.
It's Robber Pteranodon!
Come and catch me if you can.
What? Let's go catch the robber together. Robber Pteranodon is hiding here. We need to find him quickly. Who's the robber Pteranodon? Do you know?
Oh, was it you calling for me, my friend?
Oops, this isn't the robber. It's an eagle. Sorry, Mr. Eagle. Phew. This time we need to look more carefully. Uh-oh. This is a feather pen. We don't need it right now. Oh, where is the robber Pteranodon?
Hey, who's looking for me?
Freeze! You are under arrest!
It's Super Police! Oh no!
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him.
Freeze!
Super duper policeman.
Let me out!
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.
Quack! Where did the cakes go?
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Oh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police to the rescue! Don't worry, I'm here.
Quack! Super Police, please help me.
What happened?
Quack, I need to arrange the cakes on the shelf. Quack, where did the cakes go?
Don't worry, I'll catch the thief. What? It's a thief mouse.
Catching me won't be that easy. Bye-bye.
Let's catch the thief mouse together. The thief mouse is hiding here. We need to catch her. But which one is the real thief mouse? Oh, could it be this one?
Super Police, what happened?
Oh, it turned turns out to be a cat. My apologies. I got the wrong one.
Meow.
Oops, it's a balloon. Where could the thief mouse be hiding? Did anyone see her?
These cakes are so yummy.
Freeze! You are under arrest.
I've been caught.
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super-duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze! Super-duper policeman.
I won't steal again.
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.
Baby, look! This is your favorite candy! Oh my! How did my baby turn into a watermelon?
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue!
Oh, baby! My baby!
Don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, I will be waiting for you.
What happened?
There are so many candies here. Which one should I buy? I'm a friend of your dad's. He asked you to come with me. Baby, look! This is your favorite candy. Oh my! How did my baby turn into a watermelon? My baby! My baby!
Trust me, I will help you find your child. Let's go find the kidnapper together. The kidnapper must be nearby. But where exactly is he?
You can't find me unless you can find all the puzzle pieces.
Aha! That's how it is.
Oops! I revealed my secret!
Let's search for the puzzle pieces and catch the kidnapper. Oops! I made a mistake. This is candy, not a puzzle piece. We found all the puzzle pieces. Great job!
Did you think this will catch me?
Don't celebrate too soon. Let's assemble the puzzle and catch the kidnapper together. Uh-oh, not this piece. Where's the correct puzzle piece? Can someone tell me? Haha, we finally found you! Kidnap line!
How can this be? My baby!
Freeze! You are under arrest!
Oh, it's all over now!
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super-duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze, super-duper policeman.
No, I get out of here.
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.